Assalamualaikum. My name is Amar Faiz bin Muhammad Yusof. My matrix number is 227. So today I'm going to present about Chytrid Fungus. Batrachochytrium dendrobatides or BD was identified as new types of chytrid which infected amphibian skin in the year 1999. An amphibian that being infected have a broad range of symptoms. Most of these symptoms are claimed to be non-specific, such as skin flaking, lethargy, and there are other indications of several virus amphibians disease that correlate with Chytrid fungus. Moreover, other reports do not display either of these symptoms and amphibians were eventually found dead. Because of this reason, laboratory testing is needed in order to confirm the amphibians is infected with Chytrid fungus. Nearly 2 decades later, in 2017, BD appears to be able to infect most of the amphibian species in the world, which are around 6,000, and most of these species develop chytridomycosis. Chytridomycosis is the illness which arises if an amphibian becomes infected with BD fungus. BD infection develops on the outer layers of the skin cells and causes a superficial alteration of the skin, which is called hyperplasia and hyperkeratosis, that makes the skin very thick. Such skin alterations are dangerous for amphibians because they consume water and ingest crucial salts through skin rather than through their mouth. Unusual concentration of electrolyte due to BD damaged skin cause heart failure, suffocation, and animal death. Researchers found that chytrid had causes decline in at least 501 species of amphibian, where still 90 of the species had been wiped out entirely. And this causes scientists to name Chytrid fungus as the most destructive pathogen ever described by science. For the laboratory diagnosis, first, microscope is used to detect chytridomycosis by analyzing the animal skin sample. Optionally, non-invasive skin samples may be collected and examined quickly using a procedure known as the polymerase chain reaction. PCR even could identify the extremely low quantities of BD DNA present in the sample, but PCR cannot differentiate between the amphibians that are BD carriers and amphibians that are ill with chytridomycosis. Chytridomycosis cure in captive amphibians by antifungal drugs to this infection of infected enclosures of the animal, and one of the more popular approaches is by using series of bags of itraconazole drug. Many potential preventive strategies require the uses of raising the amphibian's temperature and the chloramphenicol antibiotic. Unfortunately, in the natural world for the treatment of wild frogs, there are no successful approaches. An exciting research area for the development of chytridomycosis treatment seems to be the probability for instigating symbiotic bacteria which prevents BD development in natural environment of amphibian communities. Up to this point, no chytridomycosis vaccine might be successful in managing the illness in wild communities. Last but not least, losing so many species can have many terrible impacts. Tadpoles and frogs are important because they help recycle nutrients and break down leaf litter. They are also prey for larger mammals and reptiles and predators of insects, invertebrates, and small vertebrates. Together, we have the opportunity to avert another mass decline of frogs. Without taking action, we could lose 100 more species from the world and take another step towards mass extinction. So that's all for me. Thank you.